Today I am going to discuss about Python tuples. It is pronounced as tuple too. Tuples are unchangeable. Those are ordered and also allow duplicates. We can write tuple as here. I'm going to comment this. I'm going to write tuple as this tuple is equal to apple, banana, a number, and also some cherry. Okay, this is a tuple. I can tuple access tuple item. This tuple, then I can add 0. 0 means apple. 1 means banana. 2 means 2, number 2. 3 means cherry. Okay, here I can change this 25 because there is some kind of confusion. Then I can print. Then I can run python tuple.py, otherwise the name tuple.py, then apple. If I run 1, then banana. We can run apple and banana 0 to 0 to 0 1 2. I want only apple and banana, then 0 to 2, then apple banana. Okay, 0 start, that is apple, 0 1 2, then I run like this, then we receive apple and banana. Okay, I can loop tuple for x in this tuple, print x, save and run, then apple, banana, 25, cherry. I can loop tuple. Okay, and also I can join tuples. You can write this tuple 2, then equal to x, y, and z. Then join tuple is equal to this tuple plus this tuple 2. Then I'm going to print join tuple. Then I run. Then those are joining. I think you understand about tuples in Python. If you want to update this tuple, you have to convert it into list and update the list. Then after that you can reconvert that list into tuple. But I am not going to do that because tuples are unchangeable, ordered, and also allow duplicates. Thank you.